Today we'll be using Geometer Sketchpad to copy line segments, angles, and using this tool to create congruent triangles. Begin by downloading the Geometer Sketchpad file that is with the video on my website. Once on this screen, you can see that there is a line segment and a point. This is all that is necessary to create two congruent line segments. Begin by selecting the line segment you would like to copy and selecting the point at which you would like to copy the line segment onto. Then go to the Construct menu and select Circle by Center Radius. Will be congruent to segment AB. So by creating one of these radii, you have now created a congruent segment to AB. You may label this segment using the labeling tool found in the toolbox on the left. To hide the circle found on the screen, select the circle, go to the display menu, and select Hide Circle. And now you have two congruent line segments. That's all there is to it. Yes. All radii of the circle with center A. Now that you can copy a line segment, we will move on to copying an angle. Begin by selecting the Angle tab found at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Begin by creating an arc that intersects segment BA and ray BC. As you can see, this arc creates 2 points. Label these points D and E respectively. We now want this arc to also cut across the ray B'F. To do this, we need to create the same circle that is centered at B and make it centered at B'. To do this, create the line segment connecting B to E. Select this line segment and also select the point B'. After this, construct the circle by center radius. The circle centered at B' will now intersect the ray B'F at exactly 1 point. Create a point and label it G. Now look back to the original angle. Your circle centered at B has created points D and E. Create the line segment connecting D to E. Select this segment and point G to create a circle with the radius DE at center G. You now have two intersecting circles on the ray B'F. Now, the point of intersection of these two circles we will label D'. Now you can create the ray B', D'. To better see the angles you have created, hide all of the circles. As you can see, you now have two angles, ABC and D'B'F. From construction, these two angles are now congruent.